I knew it. Blood. Can you see the blood? Can you see the blood? Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome back to another day in my life. Today I just finished my first half of work, so I'm on my lunch break. It went pretty late today because I had a meeting that ran over, and by the time I was fixing things it was too late. So I just have like half an hour for my lunch break. So let's see if I can finish a calyx drawer today. Calyx? Cullen? Cullen. It's a Cullen drawer today from IKEA. Let's see if I can finish it. Let's see, I can finish it in half an hour. This is how it looks for now. 1, and then this is 2. So first off, I'll bring all of it on the floor and we'll start it. Oh. I knew it. I knew that I could do it. Fine. Okay. And men's and women's and I don't have an electric drill. One. Good thing I got a 3. Just had my coffee now and I hope things are gonna get better. So far I have 2 injuries. So my ring is a bit blotched and I cut my finger on the cardboard paper. I'm gonna ask my friends to do it for me for the next one, but this one I'll try to do as much as I can because it hurts. Can you see the blood? Can you see the blood? Can you see the blood? There's blood. I need gloves. Those and a lot of First is segregation. Okay. First is that's my tactical drawer. There's nothing. Uh-oh. I forgot where's my hammers and stuff. Got my toolboxes. I needed the hammer because girl isn't strong enough. This is like a satire really at this point. How many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah. I've forgotten to count as well. So I've given up. I've given up on being a strong, independent woman for today because that project was meant to fail. Things to do when you're doing your IKEA. Tie your hair, don't have open nails, and get a toolbox.